Hello, finance lovers. One of the most significant turning points in financial history is the birth of central banking, the system that underpins the banknotes we carry, the digital balances in our accounts, and even cryptocurrencies began 4 centuries ago in Amsterdam. The pioneer of this system, the Bank of Amsterdam, was established in 1609 and is widely regarded by historians as the world's first central bank. In the early 1600s, Europe faced a severe monetary chaos. Each city and ruler issued its own currency, often reducing the precious metal content of coins to produce more money. This practice, known as debasement, led to significant variations in the value of coins across regions. For example, a Spanish real might contain 90% silver, while a coin from another city could contain as little as 50%. The result was widespread uncertainty, price confusion, and trade stagnation. Amsterdam emerged as a financial hub amid this disorder. Through the Dutch East India Company, VOC, goods such as spices, silk, and porcelain flowed into the city from all over the world. Trade was booming, but the monetary system could not reliably support it. Merchants dealing with coins from different cities often could not determine which coins were genuine or acceptable. To address this problem, the Amsterdam municipal government established the Wisselbank exchange bank on January 31, 1609. Its founders were the city's leading merchants and municipal officials. The bank's purpose was to create a trustworthy monetary system and establish a standardized unit of account merchants deposited their gold and silver coins, which the bank weighed, tested for purity, and melted if necessary to standardize. In return, the merchant's account was credited with a balance denominated in bank florins. This approach quickly made the Amsterdam florin one of Europe's most reliable currencies, as each florin was fully backed by precious metal. The system operated on a 100% reserve basis. The bank's most revolutionary feature was its ability to allow cashless transfers between accounts. Merchants could make payments without moving physical coins. Transactions were instant, secure, and risk-free. This mechanism laid the groundwork for modern systems such as SWIFT and digital banking. The Bank of Amsterdam functioned not merely as a commercial bank but as a public authority regulating the money supply, overseeing payments, and managing reserves. It was not a private institution. Its purpose was the security and reliability of the system. For the first time, a single institution determined which money was valid, its value, and how transfers should be executed. This is why historians recognize it as the world's first central bank. The bank's influence quickly spread across Europe. Trade accelerated, confidence increased, and Amsterdam became the continent's financial center. The Amsterdam florin became an internationally trusted currency. While the bank gradually began providing short-term credit, it remained cautious, never creating uncontrolled money and always maintaining a high reserve ratio. Inflation remained negligible. The Bank of Amsterdam's success inspired other nations. Sweden established the Riksbank in 1668, England founded the Bank of England in 1694, and the United States created the Federal Reserve in 1913. All of these institutions drew on the Amsterdam model, adopting its principles of monetary stability, reserve banking, and efficient payment systems. In the 18th century, wars and crises tested the bank. The Amsterdam government began borrowing from it, converting part of the reserves into loans. The reserve ratio fell from 100% to 40%, transparency declined, and confidence weakened. By 1795, after the French army occupied the city, the Bank of Amsterdam had lost much of its power, ultimately closing in 1820. Nevertheless, its model became the foundation of modern finance. Reserve management, central oversight, lender of last resort functions, and price stability goals remain core principles to this day. Today, digital currencies, central bank policies, and cryptocurrencies continue to be debated. Yet the roots of all these ideas trace back to the small Amsterdam bank 400 years ago. The Bank of Amsterdam demonstrated that trust in money is the foundation of a strong economy. From Federal Reserve decisions to the European Central Bank's digital euro projects, its legacy continues. In our next video, we'll talk about how gold became the ultimate standard of value and why it shaped money for centuries. Subscribe and hit the bell to not miss it.